Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and today we're going to make edible glow-in-the-dark gelatin. To do that, we're going to need to talk a little bit about physics, chemistry, and biofluorescence. To make our gelatin glow in the dark, we're going to use tonic water instead of water. Now, tonic water has an ingredient in it called quinine. Quinine is what gives tonic water its bitter taste. Another really interesting property of quinine is that it is a fluorescent substance. In the presence of ultraviolet light, or UV, it will absorb that high energy ultraviolet light and re-emit it at a lower energy. That lower energy light is visible to human eyes. In other words, it makes the quinine glow. Let's make some edible glow-in-the-dark gelatin. First, measure 1 cup or 8 ounces of tonic water and pour it into a pot. Bring the tonic water to a boil. While it's boiling, pour your powdered flavored gelatin into a heat-proof mixing bowl. Once the tonic water is boiling, carefully pour it into the bowl with the gelatin and mix it until it is all dissolved. Be very careful and use caution when working with hot liquids and around a stovetop. Have an adult with you. Then, add 1 cup or 8 ounces of cold tonic water into the mixing bowl. Place the mixing bowl in the fridge and let it chill for 4 hours. While the gelatin is setting in their fridge, let's take a look at some other things that exhibit fluorescence. Many animals are actually fluorescent. Just like quinine, their bodies absorb high energy, shorter wavelength like blue light, and re-emit it at a lower energy or longer wavelength like green or red light. For example, cat sharks glow green, which might help them recognize each other in the darkness of the deep ocean. The fluorescent property of our gelatin works best when exposed to an ultraviolet light or black light. Ultraviolet light excites susceptible electrons within the atomic structure of the quinine. The excited electrons temporarily jump to a higher orbit within the atomic structure. When those electrons fall back down to their original orbit, a small amount of energy is released as light. Let's check on our gelatin and see if it glows in the dark. Head into a dark room and hold the gelatin under a black light and watch it glow. The next part of the experiment is the taste test. Enjoy!